Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about how you can get access to up to $150,000 of money to manage. Okay, and this is highly recommended to anybody that doesn't have access to a lot of capital and is interested in trading professionally or trading full-time as a career. Okay, now quickly before I get into the details of the video, I'm gonna go over today's action. So pretty much today what happened was we had a pretty low volume up day. Okay, as you guys can see, very low volume right here on the Vol D index. Okay, so overall in the whole stock market, volume was pretty low. So obviously when we have an up move on low volume, we don't expect much continuation. Now, we did continue to make higher highs, right? Because normally you would expect the market to just start balancing out to range, like this. However, we continued to make higher. We're not going to fight the trend. We're going to let the market do what it wants. Okay, however, once we broke the overnight high, okay, as you can see, there was no interest by the buyers to get in this market at these prices. No interest at all. Okay, so here at about 1:57 Eastern, okay, I saw on the tape, okay, on the order flow, I saw a lot of buying coming in. Okay, however, all of this buying got absorbed. Okay, and this was the last chance for the buyers to take control. Here they couldn't, and once they couldn't take control and they got stopped out, guess what happens? All of these weak buyers are forced to get out, one after the other. Boom, stops, all the way until we completely clean up this whole move and we found support. This is one of the levels I shared with my members last night, but we find support generally at the bottom of the initial balance, which is right here, 33, 32, which is this line right here that you see. Okay, it's not by coincidence, there's a reason these things work. But anyways, we continue to just go sideways because this isn't real selling, it's pretty much liquidation. And if you don't know what liquidation is just a covering, or actually of buyers getting out of their positions. Okay, so when you're a buyer, you also become a seller, right? Because you need to sell to get out of your position. So all of this is pretty much just liquidation. So people getting out of their longs, people getting out because they got up here and they're like, oh look, we're gonna keep going higher, we're gonna continue to make higher highs. Look, the ES got maybe 2 points above the all-time highs, right? So most people expect a continuation. They don't really think market's gonna turn around when it's about to make all-time highs. So then all these people got trapped long, and then boom, stopped them out. And then obviously we closed right above our area. Okay, but below this area is pretty much gonna attract more sellers. But enough of that. Let's jump right into the actual video. So there are many companies out there, such as Top Step Trader, One Up Trader. There's also Earn to Trade. There's also FTMO, I think it's called, but that's more for Forex, people that like Forex. But basically what it is, it's kind of like an online prop firm. So it's basically like a firm that gives traders capital to trade on their behalf. So as you guys can see on the website, and just a disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with them or any of the companies, by the way. I'm just putting out this information to anybody that may not know about it. But the gist of it is pretty much that you pay. Yes, you have to pay. Yep, this is the prices each month that you have to pay to be tested, and you have to meet the certain requirements, right? So for each of these, there's different requirements. For example, for this 50,000 one, you have to meet a $3,000 profit target. The most you can trade is 5 contracts, right? Your daily loss limit is $1,000. Your weekly loss limit is 1,000, and then your max drawdown that you can have in the account is 2,000. Right? Each of these is different, but as you can see. But basically, these are the rules. I will link this in the description for the video. But if you wanna pretty much get your hands on this, this is pretty much the best way for any trader that doesn't have enough money to trade professionally to get started. Okay, so unless you have 50k or even more than 30k to trade with, I highly recommend you take a shot at this. Right, and I do not recommend that you start doing this until you've mastered demo. Okay, unless you know that you can consistently profit on demo for at least 3 weeks, you should not even be touching this whatsoever. Okay, this should be a goal for you. Okay, if you're starting, you should make it a goal. Okay, I need to be profitable 3 weeks in a row with confidence, right? Not just, getting random trades here and there, not really knowing, and just get lucky, and in 3 weeks, wow, I made money. No, you have to be confident about your skills, about what you know, and profit for 3 weeks before you even consider doing one of these. Okay, but once you do this type of thing is life-changing. Okay, because even with one contract trading the NASDAQ futures, you can make a real good living, just one contract, right? And look, you have access to up to 15. So we're talking, more than the average person makes. You're talking doctor money. Okay? So it is very possible to get up there and, trade as a career. You just need to have, first of all, have the capital, and then second of all, have the proper training. Okay? So this is just a little introduction to this. If you guys didn't know about this, like I said, I will link in the description a couple more programs. This is just the one that I know. I know traders that have done this, and they're doing very well for themselves. I don't really know any other traders in any other programs, but I do know that they're reputable. They're good. But I will be linking those in the description for you guys to check out. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about this, again, I don't work for them. I'm not getting paid. I just genuinely think this is a great program for new traders, or for traders looking to level up. So yeah, make sure you guys like this video, share the video, whoever might want to see this. But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.